Hello! If you're also wondering how to remove the side covers from JBL Tune 760 NC headphones without breaking the headphones themselves, I'll show you how to do it right now. To remove the cover, you'll need a flat tool. A small screwdriver works well for this. Insert the screwdriver between the side cover and the upper part of the headphone housing and gently push the cover off. If it doesn't come off easily in one spot, try a different nearby point. Once a gap appears, pull the side cover upwards. That's the only way it can be removed. If you try to open it from the bottom using a screwdriver, you'll break the cover because the clips block it. You can remove the second side cover the same way. Now you can access the inside for repair. To put the cover back on, look for the side letter, L or R, on the headphones and find the same letter on the cover. Then align the hinge part with the corresponding spot on the cover. Slide the back part into place first, then push the rest of the cover down until it clicks and locks into place. Repeat the same steps for the other cover, and you've completed this simple but slightly tricky job. If this helped you, I'd really appreciate a like on this video. Good luck!